lot of new laptops out right now. Are you thinking about one? I'm going to show you one right now that's going to blow all the other ones out of the water. There's only one upgrade you need this year. This model here has all the upgrades, the others don't. MSI Vector 16. This is the HXAI. If you're looking at an expensive laptop right now and don't want to do this upgrade again next year, this is your video. But there's a lot of new laptops out there that feel real nice, have a lot of new pieces in them that are nice and shiny. That I'm just going to mean you're going to spend the same amount of money next year whenever you need the next upgrade. There's future proofing you can do right now. The MSI Vector 16 HXAI 400. New tech number 1, GDDR7. It is 60% faster than GDDR6 with PAM3 signaling, which is also more efficient per cycle. Has 32 gigatransfers of memory. Future-proof number 2 has 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports. These give you 120 gigabytes per second. Future-proof number 3 has an RJ35 port, which is 2.5 gigabits per second, and Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 2 more USB 3.2 Type A ports. Don't forget about the SD card. 16-inch QHD screen. And gamers, which this is made for, may think this is the downgrade, but for creators like me, a screen like this that's 100% DCI Q3 for color grading and color accuracy during videos, that's what I'm looking for. Intel Core Ultra 9. It says 24 cores, 8 power cores, 16 efficiency cores, with 36 megs of cache and 40 megs of cache on L2. 24 zone RGB for the gamers out there. Again, this is built for gamers, so you're going to get things like 5080 RTX video card in here that is also going to have 16 gigabytes of video RAM, along with the 16 gigs of system RAM. You're going to need the 16 gigabytes of video RAM for editing 8K video or multiple layers with lots of effects on a 4K video, and DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, any of that. It has 2 slots of DDR5 RAM that has twice the speed of DDR4 and up to 96 gigs available in the 2 slots. MSI Vector 16 HXAI a2xw. This is the US version.